My name's Joanne Frost. This is our Porterville recreational facility, and we have kids from 4 years old to 12 years old. And yesterday at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the rain just kept coming and coming and coming and coming, and we've got the river on the other side, and we just couldn't stop it. It just kept coming. So we evacuated 2 o'clock. We had to get the kids home. And here's some of my parents and Yaku, who's helping us clean up. And it's everywhere. It's just everywhere. The playground is destroyed. I don't know.
Oh, rooms are being damaged. Oh. Oh, rooms are being damaged. What's your next one?
Good morning. I am Councillor Ayanda Ndamane. I'm a ward councillor here in Porterville. We had a flood here yesterday in Porterville. I think we had over 130 millimeter of rain in 1 hour. Yes, it happened so quick. We saw the prediction of rain, so we was expected a rain, but we was not expected so much rain that we received yesterday. We're working through the night, the municipal officials and also the emergency services. We're working throughout the night to assist the people that was affected by the storm. And we're starting very early this morning. We had also other role players like correctional services of Porterville. We had also the Cedarburg fire services that also assist the municipality currently. And then today we had also the Shoprite mobile soup kitchen that also assist some parts in our community. The mayor, the executive mayor himself, the deputy mayor, the councillors, the administration themselves is on the ground to assist the communities, and we appreciate all the help from all the external role players that assist the community in this regard.